Maurice, please take me through September progress of Cicada.
Now this is the show house.
The new one, right?
Yeah, the new show house. As you can see, the gypsum has been done 100%.
I like the gypsum ceiling.
It looks nice. Yeah. The floor,
Laminate.
laminate, 100% done.
It's pretty.
Also the tiles on the wet areas, 100% done.
Yeah.
You can see the undercoat, skimming and undercoat has been done also.
I like the cupboards.
They look nice.
Yeah, the cupboards are very pretty.
Even the handles.
Yeah, I really like the cupboard.
All the wardrobes have been done 100%.
Nice, I
All
like
the
that.
rooms.
The tiling for the washroom. Also, the wall tiling has been done. I like the wall tiling. It has a nice vibe. So one of these ones gonna be the color of the room.
Yeah, these are the samples. One of them are going to be the color of the whole house.
Very pretty.
Let's go to the master bedroom.
Yeah. The windows have been fixed in the master bedroom as well.
Yeah, the aluminium sliding doors plus the windows, they have all been fixed.
Nice. So what's happening on this floor? Oh, block A and block B. This is block A, right?
Yeah, block A,
What's the progress for the wall?
100% done up to 10th floor.
Up to 10th floor.
Yeah.
Excellent. So this is the walling for block A, right? What is the progress? So this is the last floor, right?
Yeah,
On block B.
Yeah, block B, and it's 11th floor. So columns to 12th floor, you can see, it's ongoing.
Yeah, yeah.
And the formwork to 12th floor also ongoing.
Yes, I can see.
This is the lead shaft,
Yeah, the four of them.
the four of them. 1 to 12, 100% done. So this is 1 to 11, 100%
11,
done.
yeah.
This is the 12th floor.
And what's happening on block A?
On block A, formwork to 14th floor, 100% done. Reinforcement to 14th floor, so 100% done. Awaiting plastering.